Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see or check the total battery cycles of your laptop. Now, in order to do it, just simply open the command promote on your laptop and run it as administrator. Once you do that here, in this prompt, you need to write power CFG with a space and forward slash write battery report. Once you do that and hit enter, it says the battery life report will be saved to this path, and move to this path and find this file which is battery report.html. Once you do that and open the file, here you can see this file will open something like this, and when you scroll down and zoom into this part, you can see the cycle count will appear right here, which is currently 119. So by this method you can easily check the battery cycle count of your laptop. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.